If you're over 60, listen closely. What if I told you that walking might not be the safest or smartest daily exercise for your body anymore, and that a simple chair could protect your joints, your balance, and your independence better than long walks ever could? That sounds surprising, maybe even uncomfortable to hear, because for years you've been told the same thing. Just keep walking. Walking is the best exercise. Walk more to stay healthy. And yes, walking can be helpful. But here's the concern no one explains clearly to adults over 60. As we age, the body changes in quiet but powerful ways. Muscles shrink faster. Joints lose cushioning. Balance reactions slow down. Blood pressure shifts more easily. And one small misstep can turn a healthy walk into weeks or months of pain. Many seniors don't stop walking because they want to. They stop because something hurts. Knees ache. Hips feel unstable. Lower back tightens. Feet go numb. Or worse, fear of falling sets in. And once that fear arrives, confidence fades. Here's the truth most people learn too late. After 60, exercise isn't about how far you go. It's about how safely you move. This is where chair exercise changes everything. A chair removes the biggest risk factor in aging exercise: falling. It gives your body support while still allowing muscles to work. It lets joints move without grinding pressure. It allows circulation to improve without exhaustion. And yet, most seniors underestimate chair exercise. They think it's only for the very old, or for people who are too weak, or for those who've already given up. That belief is costing people their strength, because the right chair exercises don't make you weaker. They rebuild muscle. They protect joints. They wake up balance systems. They improve walking ability, without the dangers of walking itself. And today, we're going to talk about 5 specific chair exercises that, for many adults over 60, can be better than walking. Not harder, not painful, not extreme, safe, controlled, effective. These are movements designed to work with an aging body, not against it. And if you've ever thought, I should exercise, but I don't want to get hurt, or I'm afraid I'll make things worse, or I don't have the energy I used to, this message is for you. Because the biggest mistake seniors make isn't laziness, it's choosing exercises that no longer match their body's needs. In a moment, I'll explain why walking can silently strain aging joints, and why chair-based movement may actually help you walk longer, stronger, and safer in daily life. But first, there's something very important you need to understand about how your body responds to movement after 60, something most fitness advice completely ignores. And once you hear it, you may never look at exercise the same way again. Let's start with something reassuring. If walking has helped you in the past, that's good. Your body remembers movement. That means it can still respond, if the movement matches your current needs. Here's what changes after 60. Your muscles don't fire as quickly as they once did. Your joints absorb shock less efficiently. Your balance relies more on vision and core strength. And recovery takes longer. Walking seems gentle, but it places repeated impact on the same joints, especially knees, hips, ankles, and lower back. Each step sends force upward through the body. When muscles are strong, they absorb that force. When muscles weaken, as they naturally do with age, joints take the load instead. This is why many seniors say, I used to walk every day, but now my knees hurt, or my hips feel stiff after walks, or I feel unsteady on uneven ground. The problem isn't movement. The problem is unsupported movement. Chair exercise changes the equation. When you sit, your body weight is supported. That instantly reduces joint stress. But the muscles can still work, sometimes even more effectively, because movements are slower, more controlled, and more intentional. Here's something many people don't realize. Muscles respond best to controlled resistance, not speed. Chair exercises allow you to strengthen muscles without rushing, without momentum, and without fear of falling. Another key benefit is posture. As we age, posture naturally shifts forward. The chest tightens, the upper back rounds. The neck moves ahead of the shoulders. Walking alone does very little to correct this. Chair-based movements can gently strengthen the back, shoulders, and core, the muscles that keep you upright, steady, and confident. Now let's talk about circulation. Many seniors walk hoping to get the blood flowing. That's a good goal, but if walking causes pain or fatigue, the body tenses up. Tension actually reduces circulation. Chair exercises, when done calmly, encourage rhythmic muscle contractions. This helps blood return to the heart more efficiently. It can reduce swelling in the legs and feet, and it often leaves seniors feeling energized instead of drained. There's also the issue of consistency. The best exercise is the one you can do every day. Walking depends on weather, time of day, sidewalk conditions, energy levels. Chair exercise removes those barriers. You can do it indoors. You can stop anytime. You can adjust intensity instantly. Now, let's address some common aging mistakes. Mistake number 1, pushing through pain. Pain is not a sign of progress after 60. It's a signal to adjust. Mistake number 2, copying younger people's routines. Your body deserves age-appropriate movement. Mistake number 3, ignoring strength. Many seniors focus only on cardio, like walking, while strength quietly declines. Strength is what helps you stand up, climb stairs, carry groceries, catch yourself if you trip. Chair exercises can rebuild that strength safely. Mistake number 4, thinking it's too late. This belief stops more progress than aging ever could. Your muscles can still respond. Your joints can still move better. Your confidence can still grow. You just need the right approach. In the next part, I'll walk you through 5 specific chair exercises that are safe, realistic, and effective for adults over 60. They're simple, they're slow, and when done daily, they can support better walking, better balance, and better quality of life, without the risks many seniors face on long walks. Each movement will be explained step by step. No rushing, no strain, no fear. Before we begin, one important reminder. Move slowly. Breathe naturally. Stop if anything feels sharp or uncomfortable. Comfort is your guide. These movements are not about pushing. They are about waking the body up safely. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Seated march for circulation and hip strength. Sit tall in your chair. Feet flat on the floor, hands resting on your thighs. Slowly lift your right knee a few inches. Lower it gently. Now, lift your left knee. That's it. This simple movement activates the hip muscles. These muscles are essential for walking, standing, and balance. Move slowly. No swinging. No rushing. As you lift each knee, imagine you are lightly stepping over a small object. Continue for 30 to 60 seconds. Why this works? It improves blood flow. It strengthens the hips without impact. It helps retrain the walking pattern safely. Rest if needed. Exercise 2. Chair, sit to stand for total lower body strength. Scoot slightly forward in your chair. Feet shoulder width apart. Hands on the armrests or thighs. Lean forward just a little. Slowly stand up. Then, slowly sit back down. If needed, use your hands. That's okay. This movement strengthens the thighs, hips, and glutes. These are the muscles that keep you independent. Do this 5 to 10 times. Move slowly on the way down. That's where strength builds. Why this works? Standing up is something you do every day. Training it makes daily life easier and safer. Exercise 3. Seated, heel to toe. Raises for balance and ankles. Sit tall again. Feet flat on the floor. Lift both heels, keeping toes down. Lower slowly. Now lift the toes, keeping heels down. Lower slowly. Alternate this motion. This strengthens the lower legs and ankles. These muscles help prevent trips and stumbles. Do this for about 1 minute. Why this works? Strong ankles improve balance. Better balance reduces fear of falling. Exercise 4. Seated arm, reach with gentle twist for core and spine. Sit tall. Place your hands on your thighs. Slowly reach your right arm forward and slightly across your body. Turn your upper body just a little. Return to center. Switch sides. Keep the movement small and comfortable. This gently activates the core and upper back. It helps maintain spinal mobility. Do 6 to 10 repetitions. Why this works? A mobile spine supports posture. Good posture improves breathing and confidence. Exercise 5. Seated breathing with shoulder rolls for relaxation. Sit comfortably. Relax your shoulders. Inhale slowly through your nose. As you inhale, gently roll your shoulders back. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Let the shoulders drop. Repeat this 5 to 8 times. This calms the nervous system. It reduces tension. It helps the body recover. Why this works? Relaxation improves circulation. It prepares the body to move better. These 5 movements together create a powerful routine. They strengthen. They protect. They restore confidence. You can do them once a day, or break them into short sessions. Consistency matters more than intensity. In the final part, I'll explain why it's never too late to benefit, and how these simple chair exercises can help you feel safer, stronger, and more hopeful about your health. Starting today. If you've stayed with me this far, there's something important you need to hear. Your body is not done. It is not past the point of improvement, and it is certainly not broken beyond repair. After 60, progress looks different, but it is still very real. Many seniors believe strength only belongs to the young. But strength is not about age, it's about use. Muscles respond to gentle, regular signals. Joints respond to calm, controlled movement. The nervous system responds to safety and repetition. That's exactly what chair exercise provides. You don't need long walks that leave you sore. You don't need complicated routines. You don't need to compare yourself to anyone else. You need movement that respects your body today. When you practice these chair exercises, something subtle begins to happen. Standing up feels easier. Walking feels more confident. Balance feels steadier. Fear slowly loosens its grip. And perhaps most importantly, trust in your body begins to return. That trust is powerful. It changes how you move through your day, how you carry yourself, how willing you are to stay active and engaged. Some days you may feel stiff. Other days you may feel strong. Both are normal. What matters is showing up gently, letting the body warm up, allowing progress to happen quietly. There is no finish line here. There is only improvement in daily life. If you've been afraid of falling, chair exercise gives you control. If walking has become uncomfortable, this gives you an option. If you've stopped exercising altogether, this gives you a safe restart. Remember, movement should leave you feeling better, not worse. Start with just a few minutes a day. Sit tall. Breathe. Move slowly. Your future mobility is built from small, consistent choices, and today can be one of them. If this message helped you, stay connected. More senior safe movement guidance is available to support you on this journey. You are not alone. You are not too late. And your body is still capable of positive change. Thank you for taking this time for your health.